for na ye church will be biara san so Emma Ashefo eti4 adofo Ghana for nyina ye mo bi biara kwaba edeba Attention TV as your most inspirational YouTube channel ebusha for someone say mabetena edwemu sabre ya na abra metena enfemamu ede amame mame ekuya enjuwa the original host of this program and then when to me and show up into me and I'm representing abra made trending news, trending stories, and some echo our mind gonna more any amount hodros, so made baba somo, ama wuzu when the echo and any eba our mind gonna master will say if you're new to the channel, that's on subscribe, I'm brasa subscribe, kama and fa am I ebusha for ebra yensa will bring yambonra and then some not your war Eddie emamono. Which for say for some time ni and say a story be trendy all over the social media. Come here, I say precisely last week. Now what you more and say my fast chef Smith or no ye no so obabe ye cookathon. Now we need about abasobo kese pa the ashe Ghana for nyina enimonyam na ebro ye cookathon yo no na that crow ye that sorry ya branch ababe ye life or say Guinness World Record the abasobo na the man so no ye the award-winning personality where we need the longest cooking in human history. And it is come here. I say a what do you call it? Video here and as a live here about mountains. So Ghana for Bibina woman ya Jinwanyas and Kitobina Eman congratulations celebrities in Naji San say Abasabono Eba Ghana and as a Ghana ni and why had it say Ghana for and I'm saying Dodo Huntono the Yaman congratulations. Nanona I'm saying Penny for Binu Yushimu Sana a brand and Yakusema through anana widen wodi and namsoma a post for a bit brino kojina asem dibia police station and namsoma branti omotwe na so anya asem keto amanfo di na tem and binu se wagu Ghana fo ni ma se in fact asem na trendy ama BBC po broadcast se Ghana fo in fact a branti bo Ghana oye no se obebo apo e de no agi Guinness World Record in fact koye nsem bebre na ebusha fo ne asem fofo asan so epiem and say ye wo chef Smith nsem se mo na ababa we bi so abepiem social media na nsama ode betudwa ede afa chef Smith hono enya asem kito ababa we ababa waben ababa we ababa waben ababa we ababa we bia osusu se anaso ono okire mo yehunu se na oye former worker ede ema chef Smith na okire mu kukuamu na hintasem ode abetudwa afa chef Smith hono enya asem kito okire mu se chef Smith ebra na oye dwuma no na kukuamu no ne workers edwumaifo ni bi de dada na in fact no obobi no mapo no in fact ensem bebre na ebra me se obere yanko ni kotie nsema ababa wane de tudwa ne bi.
I am a Southerner too. I am half Northerner, half Southerner, and I won't lie. I am glad I grew up in the north. A lot of you get this blessing. I say you were chasing married men. Me, Jibodi. Me. Okay. Back to this guy. Let me tell you why you need to believe the news you are seeing. The guy is a corn artist. The guy is a corn artist. I don't know whether he has a group of people he's working with, because an individual person, like, why would you go and put yourself in a situation like this? Unless of course there's a mental problem somewhere. Because a whole human being, you try to sleep with a married woman, and when she refused, you decided it was time to evaluate all the girls in your kitchen. And the evaluation he gave the lady, I knew there was something wrong, because I see what they do in the kitchen. I see those who work and how hard they work. He decided to evaluate. So I went digging, and then I heard he tried to sleep with her, and when she refused, he told her he would get her out of the job. And he did. Because at some point in time, we did feel we trusted him enough that we gave him the kitchen. Okay, since you are in charge of the kitchen, pick those you feel you can work with. And I am so sorry, Esther. I am so sorry. I'm using this platform to apologize to you and all the other girls. We had no idea. We had no idea, and it was just a one person's word against him, because at some point in time He scared all of them, and none of them wanted to talk. Even till date, there are a few of them, when you tell them, they will be like, oh, God will handle this. And truly, God has done it. Truly, God has done it. I mean, at some point now, when the girls were saying that, I was like, hey, sister, someone has done something like this to you. Also, maybe it's just the embarrassment. Some of them couldn't face it after they saw you people throw comments and threats to me online. They saw. It broke their morale. Not only their morale, it broke their spirits. A society that is supposed to handle their women like eggs. These girls were hardworking girls. They just wanted a job. That's all. But they lost their job. They lost their pride. And they lost probably their mental health, because there are some of them who claim who think, which I believe, is that they won't be able to work with a man again. He will sleep with you in return for you to come and work in the kitchen. So we were there. He will bring us applications and say, oh, these are my workers that I feel I can work with. And we also take the application, because frankly speaking, all these girls he brought actually showed us they were capable of working. I do not have a thing against men, not at all. I have 2 brothers. I love them so dearly. And one thing I can hit my chest and say is that my parents raised us well. My brother, I swear on my life that my brother would never do something like that. So don't come here and come and tell me, say, you are trying to pull him down when a man is trying to do something. Am I not married to a man? And I gave birth to a boy. I have a child. Those of you who don't know me, come here, you're calling me Olashawo, you're jumping from one man to man. Didn't you see my wedding pictures? Oh, I've forgotten. A lot of you are married and you are roaming around, so you think all of us are like that. Because apparently he was married while he was still sleeping with people just to give them job at Cliff Haven Beach Resort. Barnabas is on his page. He's making fun of the whole thing. I don't have a grudge with you. I don't. But do you sleep at night, knowing that you contributed to people sending me threats, both spiritually and messages? We will deal with you physically and spiritually. Look at my face well. Like I said, you would think some of us, we fell from the sky. Even if I fell from the sky, do you think I just fell? There is no one there. You put me up on a pedestal for people to ridicule me. If I didn't have thick skin, I would have drunk rat poison and died. Ghanaians. Oh, I'm happy too, Aram. I'm happy too how things have come out.
Ebucha for sa pepepe anate ha na mede ensem nyina ebesi ede amom ya mede ensem bra medin ara energy cup net makram.